So we've just been herding cattle up. We must have took them about 5 miles at least. And I don't know how many cattle, I would think. At least 100, probably more. And here we are now at our pit stop. Really, we've had a real good morning. It's bad underfoot just here though. There's my horse. On the right of them two. He's back in. There's Ginny having an apple. And there's Ben. So dishing out the grub now. Maria's here with her chaps on.
Do you like it here or do you like it not in the butt of the bread? Yeah. I prefer no butt. Thank you. You have a preference, turkey or
Nice
ham?
turkey. You doing your filming? That's mine.
Yeah, they're pretty
Yeah, it's two. Oh, there's Maria with her chaps on. She's looking very.
Are you filming?
Of course he is.
Yes, she's looking very nice.
Would
Very
you like
usual.
turkey or ham?
I'll take either.
Aye.
I'm not particular.
The one there's more
Probably what I
stuff.
also don't care about
One
bugs,
with-
one way or
The,
the other
the,
either.
there's more of.
I'll
I
take
want
whatever
more
there
stuff.
is.
I mean,
So far, it sounds like nobody's at all picky.
Thank
I
you
made
very
the same
much.
number at each.
Good.
The ham ones have mustard, the turkey ones don't.
Good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, all I
Works for
know
me.
is they use a lot of
Turkey or ham?
this is her husband Ben. Manage George. There he is. Yeah, he's chaps
Do you like
on.
it here or do you not like it here?
the end of the bread loaf.
Oh, I love it here.
So that's right.
Oh,
It.
I love it.
Okay.
My dad does too. Mom always makes me leave it in. Like cowboy sandwich.
You're my girl.
Emily, yeah.
Turkey or ham?
Again?
Oh, you already have one.
No, I haven't. I haven't.
Where's
I
your
haven't.
sister?
I'll have her turkey.
Judy,
No.
where you at, Judy?
Here,
Did you get a sandwich?
roll call.
Marco!
I almost got a seconds then. Where are you? Right, so I'm ready to go.
Plenty of sandwiches.
That's it.